हाय किड्स। इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A to Z। Let's start. A. This is letter A. B. This is letter B. C. Kids, this is letter D. D. Letter E. This is letter E. F. F. Kids, we are tracing letter G. G. Now we are tracing letter H. H. I. This is letter I. J. J. Kids, we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. M. Kids, we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. P. This is letter P. Kids, this is letter Q. We are tracing letter R. R. This is letter S. Now we are tracing letter T. Kids, this is letter U. Now we are tracing letter V. This is letter W. Kids, this is letter X. Now we are tracing letter Y. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,